I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the sternal angle. This is your primary landmark. Place your fingertips on the manubrium body junction and move laterally to the second rib. Once you feel the second rib, trace it out to the costal cartilage and note the space immediately below. That's the second intercostal space. Make sure to assess with the patient in the intended position, because rotation or deep inspiration shifts rib relationships. Keep tactile contact steady while you move laterally toward the midclavicular line. Once you've identified the second rib, count ribs to verify you're at the correct level. The first rib sits under the clavicle and is less palpable. Move toward the midclavicular or anterior axillary line to locate the inner space directly inferior to the second rib. Use gentle auscultation and watch chest wall motion during a breath to confirm the gap between ribs. If landmarks are obscured, change patient positions slightly and repalpate. Consistent landmarks prevent misplacement and reduce risk to underlying structures. Now mark the midpoint of the identified second intercostal space and prepare your field. When advancing needles or instruments, aim just above the lower rib margin to avoid the neurovascular bundle that runs under each rib. Move deliberately. If you encounter resistance or unexpected anatomy, stop and reassess rather than forcing entry. If landmarks are ambiguous because of body habitus or edema, use a quick ultrasound or request imaging help. Troubleshooting tip: if placement feels off, withdraw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.